Meaning of declension.
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 Declension. Declension is a grammatical term that refers to the changing of nouns, pronouns, and adjectives to reflect their case, number, and gender in different contexts. It often involves altering the ending of a word to show its role in a sentence. The result of declension is the creation of different forms of the same word. For example, in Latin, the noun pure, meaning boy, has different forms depending on whether it is subject or object, singular or plural. This allows for greater precision and clarity in communication. The study of declension is an important aspect of language learning and understanding how words function within a sentence.